Last week, American Express released one of their most exciting cards in a while. The Gold Card with the limited edition rose gold version that you can get only until January 9th, 2019. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. Let's talk some details about this new Gold Card. First off, American Express is coming up with a very creative welcome bonus that is geared towards foodies and just about anyone who likes to eat out. New card members who apply for the Gold Card through January 9th, 2019, American Express will help pick up the tip by offering 20% back in statement credits on dining purchases at US restaurants up to $100 per card account during the first 3 months of card membership. That's a pretty impressive offer. So if you spend, let's say, $500 dining out in the first 3 months of having the card, you'll get $100 back as a statement credit. In addition to that, you'll get 25,000 bonus Amex membership rewards points when you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months of having the card. That bonus is easily worth $500 at a valuation of 2 cents per point. If you stick to the end of the video though, I'll show you how you can double that bonus and get 50,000 points instead of just 25,000 that's publicly available. In terms of bonus categories, the new Amex Gold Card offers 4 points per dollar on dining at US restaurants. This beats the 2 points per dollar offered by the Chase Sapphire Preferred and even beats the 3 points per dollar offered by the Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Gold Card also offers 4 points per dollar on US supermarket purchases up to $25,000 per year. This makes it a great card for families who spend a lot of money at supermarkets for groceries. It's also great for buying gift cards at grocery stores, giving the chance to maximize that 4 points per dollar benefit. As previously offered by the original Premier Rewards Gold Card, this new Gold Card will let you earn 3 points per dollar on airfare purchased directly from any airline or through AmexTravel.com. A new creative perk of the card is the $120 dining credit, which gives you up to $10 per month in statement credits when you use the card at eligible dining partners, including participating Shake Shack locations, the Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, and Grubhub and seamless delivery services. The Gold Card also offers an annual airline credit up to $100, which works the same way as the $200 airline credit offered by the American Express Platinum Card. This benefit covers things like checked bag fees, upgrade fees, and in-flight meals, but it can also be triggered by purchasing gift cards to airlines like Delta and American. The new Gold Card has a relatively high annual fee of $250, but when you factor in the $120 dining credit and the $100 airline credit, it definitely makes it worthwhile. Now let me tell you how you can earn 50,000 sign-up bonus points instead of 25,000. The easiest way that I've seen is being referred to the card by a friend who has the Gold Card or the Platinum Card. If you're being referred by someone who has the Platinum Card, that referral will take you to a Platinum Card page, but on that same page you can click a link on the top that says View All Cards with a Referral Offer, then click on All Personal Credit Cards, and you'll see the 50,000 points offer for the Gold Card. If you're looking to apply for this card, I put my referral link in the description below. That will give you the 50,000 points, and I'll get some points also. I'd really appreciate it. This is an amazing card and definitely deserves a spot in everybody's wallet. Unfortunately, I'm not eligible for the bonus since I had the old Premier Rewards Gold Card before, but my wife will definitely be getting the limited edition Rose Gold Card before the offer ends on January 9th. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.